Today we're going to be spinning the dark cherry frozen yogurt made with 2 containers of 0 sugar yogurt. I've got 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and then 1 teaspoon of almond extract because almond extract goes with cherry. I'm going to let it sit out on the counter for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to run warm water over the side, and then we're going to spin it. Probably will need 2 spins, but I know it's going to be delicious. There's a bit of a hump in the middle. I'm flattening it down a little just so the machine has an easier time. Dark cherry. I could put some frozen cherries in to give it a little more texture, but delicious. Creamy, smooth. You're going to love this high protein, low sugar, dark cherry frozen yogurt. Follow along for more recipes for the 𝗪𝗵𝐶𝐶𝗽. Like and subscribe. I'd love to have you follow me as we continue to make delicious frozen yogurt and frozen ice creams at home with the 𝗪𝗵𝐶𝐶𝐽.